Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine. Today I will talk about more stylish and gorgeous collection of plus size skater dresses for women and girls of 2020. So how are you friends? I hope you shall be enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with most demanding and fabulous collection of plus size skater dresses for women and girls of 2020. So friends, this is very attractive and stunning collection for those ladies who loves to wear such types of skater dresses. So friends, this is very beautiful, stylish and demanding collection plus size skater dresses. So I suggest you to watch this video till then for more designs and more ideas about plus size skater dresses. So dear friends, if you want to buy these very beautiful, stylish and trendy collection of plus size skater dresses online, then I will tell you the best websites from where you can buy these very beautiful, stylish and trendy collection of plus size skater dresses online. So friends, before telling the websites, please subscribe my channel, and if you have already subscribed, then not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing bell icon, you will get all the notification of my latest uploading video. In this way, you will never miss my video and collection of my channel. So dear friends, this is very attractive and stunning collection and stylish and sexy. So dear friends, you can buy these from websites amazon.com, eBay.com and aliexpress.com. Friends, always try to bring useful videos, useful content for you. So don't forget to like my videos, don't forget to share my videos with your friends and relatives, and also gives your feedback in the hammer section about the collection. So dear friends, please keep visiting my channel and also subscribe my channel. When you subscribe, you will get all the notification of my latest uploading video. In this way, you will never miss my video and collection of my channel. So dear friends, you can wear these very beautiful, stylish and trendy collection in office work and also wear in parties. So dear friends, please like my videos and share my videos with your friends and relatives, and also give your feedback in the hammer section about the collection. How was the video? How was the designs of plus size skater dresses for women and girls of 2020? So dear friends, please keep visiting my channel and also subscribe my channel, and please like my videos and share my videos. So dear friends, goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection. So dear friends, please remember me in your prayers. Then goodbye.